So I keep hearing this sound like wind blowing or something going on like that. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm out here doing an inspection. You know, it looks like they're doing some remodels in here, but I hear this whistling sound. Can't tell if it's like coming up from the vents, where it's coming from. And then I notice panel with duct tape. So let's take a look in there. I don't know if you can see that. That is just actively flowing. You want to know the extent of that? Got my moisture meter. This is not only in the bathroom, but this has come out into the hallway. No one's living here. I doubt they even know what's going on. So I'm going to contact the buyer, see if they're okay if I contact the listing agent and ask them if I can shut the water off, because this whole floor, it's all bulging. It's moisture damage. So never skip the inspection.